Dear children, welcome to Standard 4 subject GK. Today we are going to learn new chapter 26 Champions Performance. Those who got in Olympics games they got the winners. We are going to learn about the winners. Everyone looks forward to watching the Olympics games that are held once in every 4 years. Here's a glimpse of some records made down the years. How you kept track of them? Name the medal winner. At the Montreal Olympics in 1976, she became the first gymnast in Olympic history to be awarded a perfect score of 10 for her performance on the uneven bars. This young Romanian champion was then only 14 years old. She is Nadia Comaneci. Second, this track and field athlete rose into fame in the 1936 Summer Olympics in Berlin, Germany by winning 4 Olympic gold medals. He is Jesse Owens. His name Jesse Owens. Third number, in the 1972 Summer Olympics in Munich, Germany, this swimmer won 7 gold medals in a single Olympic Games. No other athlete hold such a record. He is Mars Fish. Fourth number, he is a track and field athlete who won 9 gold medals at the Olympic Games. He is Carl Lewis. His name Carl Lewis. He won gold medal at the Olympic Games. Track and field athlete. Then next, look at India's performance at the Olympics so far. India has won 8 gold, 1 silver and 2 bronze medals in hockey at the Olympic Games. Leader Paes was the first Indian tennis player to win an Olympic bronze medal. He got a Leander Paes. His name Leander Paes was the first Indian tennis player to win an Olympic bronze medal. As Rajnathan Singh Rathore, an army officer, was the first Indian to win a silver medal in shooting at the 2004 Summer Olympics. He shot the Rajnathan Singh Rathore, an army officer, was the first Indian to win the silver medal shooting at the 2004 Summer Olympics. Karan Malaswari, an Indian weightlifter, became the first woman to win a medal at the Olympics. She won a bronze medal at the 2000 Summer Olympics in Sydney. Karan Malaswari, an Indian weightlifter, became the first woman to win a medal at the Olympics. She won a bronze medal at the 2000 Summer Olympics in Sydney. Some landmark at the Olympics Games. Some landmark is given there. Let us study that also. First number, 708 BC. The 5 women pentathlon, discus, javelin, long jump, sprint, wrestling was introduced in the Olympics. These all items introduced in the Olympic Games. 780 BC. 708 BC. Second number 648 BC. Horse racing was introduced in the Olympics. Horse racing was introduced in 648 BC. BC means, you know what is the full form of BC? Before Christ. 1896. The first modern Olympics was held in Athens, Greece. The first modern Olympics was held in Athens, Greece at 1896 BC. Then 1912 modern pentathlon was introduced in the Stockholm Olympics. Next, fifth number 1924 the first separate Winter Olympics was held. The first separate Winter Olympics was held 1924. 1960 Paralympics was introduced for the disabled. For this Olympics, Paralympics was introduced for the disabled. 1996, 1933 medals were won. 1996, 1933 medals were won. Today, the Olympic torch is its 7th month before the opening ceremony of the Olympic Games. At the site of the Ancient Olympics in Olympia, Greece, it is then carried to the host city of the Olympic Games by relay runners. The battle months before the opening ceremony, Olympic Games at the site of the Ancient Olympics torch is site. That picture we can see that the Olympic torch is several months before the opening ceremony of the Olympic Games at the site of the Asian Olympics in Olympia, Greece. It is then carried to the host city of the Olympic Games by relay runners. Okay, I hope all of you understood this lesson. Understood this lesson, and you have to write the exercises here only. That name you have to write your notebook and textbook. Okay, then you have to read and study the lessons. Okay, thank you children.